Right, hi everyone, my name is Ryan and welcome to Western Timberland, Wales. This weekend I'm trying out a new inverter from Impax. It's a 1.9 kilowatt inverter generator. You can get it from Screwfix, Toolstation, but we got ours from Costco because we've got a trade account there. So let's do a little bit of a reveal. We did try a D-volt one, but it was far too big. So hopefully this isn't the size of the box, because if it is, it's going to be too big, because it's going to be too heavy. But one of the reasons why we bought it was the size. So it's a 1900 watt inverter generator, so hopefully it's silent too. Let's have a look. Comes with everything you need. Out. It comes with your earthing rods, it comes with leads, it comes with the oil filler cap, which is good. But hopefully, with the D-volt one, we could hardly lift it out of the box because it was just humongous, and that's really light. So that's one of the things we wanted, was it to be really light. I mean, bear in mind it's got no oil in it or no fuel in it at the moment, but it's really easy to lift, which is one of the reasons why we bought it. And come down here, camera person, you'll see it's got 240 plugs, USB point, a 1 point and a 2.1. It's also got so that I'm assuming you can charge your battery on your van if you're running out of power. So all your batteries are low from your fridge. You've got that, so you can charge your battery. So it's also a starter for your van. It's got 12 volt USB port, like I said. There's your choke. It's got a fuel gauge, which is really important, I think, really helpful, because you can't physically see the fuel tank. So there's a fuel gauge there. And it comes with all the instructions. This is, do not return it to the shop if you've got fuel in it. You'll have to send it back to the manufacturer. But yeah, it's basically saying you've got to put, warning, do not overfill this unit with oil. Fill with 10W30 or 10W40 four-stroke engine oil. So any sort of van oil will do that for you. And then basically it should be ready to go. I mean, I'm not going to do that live on this video because I haven't got anything, so I just wanted to get out of the box and show you guys and make sure we're happy before we carry on. Oh, it's windy. That's the oil filler cap, just there.